YouTubers? Professor Sheep here. Welcome to another YouTube video. Now today, as you can see, I'm on a bike. More explanation on that in a minute. Today is a new video, psychology/sociology. Today we're exploring how people learn. Specifically, how to learn to ride a bike. Now, I bought this bike Sunday. It is now the next Saturday. I've ridden it probably a total of 3-4 hours. And I'm still a little, So remember today, kids, bike helmet. So let's go, safety first. Let's go talk about bicycles. Oh my gosh, I can't get my gear. Oh no. Hey! What the heck? No helmet. There's a difference between learning and memorizing. Memorizing is commit to memory or learn by heart. Learning is the ability to acquire knowledge or skill through experience and other such things, such as riding a bike, reading a book, or watching a YouTube video. So let's go a little more in depth about learning and how it can change you. So there's two types of learning theories. There's behaviorism and the social cultural theory. Behaviorism can be split into two groups. So the first part is assuming that humans are like computers. They have a response to a stimulus. So you poke them, say they scream. Simple as that. So you do something, they do something else. The second one isn't so much as response to a stimulus, but as more of a, not a physical stimulus, but a mental stimulus. Well, we'll talk about that in a second. Whee! Why, hello there. Now, I don't have my fun fact book or my fun fact chair, because I'm in my own home. But I still have a book and I still have a chair. So, let's have some fun facts. Today's fun facts are, did you know scientists for a long time claimed that the human brain had 100 billion brain cells, or neurons? But upon further examination, they realized they didn't know where that number came from. So after analyzing some brains, they realized we only have 86 billion neurons. Another fun fact is that the messages between each neuron travel anywhere as slow as 1 mile per hour to anywhere as fast as 268 miles per hour. Wow. Isn't that fascinating? So, the second part of behaviorism is that fact that maybe you're not responding to a physical stimulus but a mental stimulus, such as a YouTube video or an exam or sitting in class listening to a teacher. Sure, these are, I guess, physical in a way that you're seeing and you're writing out things, but it's not a direct stimulus like me punching you in the face. That's a very direct stimulus. These are going through your these are going through your eyes and ears, per se. And so, it's a very different type of learning. However, social cultural really takes a different view on how people learn. Let's talk about those next. So now it's time for social cultural, which is the last example of learning. And it's different from behaviorism and what behaviorism's two domains cover. So, social cultural mainly focuses on how other humans, how other people influence you. Now, it's not always going to be direct. So, for example, you don't always need somebody right there telling you this, and this, and you observing them and taking it and learning how to interact with other people. It's not always about that. It can be indirect. An indirect example would be, say, this YouTube video, for example. I'm interacting in society and being a societal person, so you can learn from that. Now, they do overlap, of course, the theories. And learning is learning, it's different. Learning is more of a physical change in the brain. And this doesn't have to do with either one. This is just how learning happens. So in your brain you have synapses, and which are basically like storing memory on transistors in a computer. And your neurons are the transistors. And so the neurons can fire and receive signals. And so the synapses are these patterns. And so the more you practice and memorize, but memorizing isn't learning, because learning is to understand and acquire that, like I said earlier. And so these synapses are the patterns that your neurons make and how they fire. And so the more you strengthen these synapses, the stronger they get. And so that means you've learned them, and you learn them and you understand. And so maybe one day you could go and teach them to other people. Now what I'm doing today, I understand. But am I memorized? That's for you to never find out. Alright, so now it's time for the conclusion. And so, as a part of the conclusion, let me focus on driving here. As a part of the conclusion, so here we are at the conclusion of the episode. I would like to thank you all for watching. Alright, come across. Come across! Alright, stop. So that's time for the end of the video. We learned about learning, funny enough. So I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and share. New videos every Friday, and good night!
Oh, you're still here? Well, if you want to see more, check the playlist. And while you're there, please consider subscribing. Now, Marvel for 20 seconds.